This strategy is suitable for you even you are beginners in trading. The strategy created by Power of Trading and claimed has 100% profitable. Is that sure this strategy has 100% win rate? We will test this strategy to know the real win rate of this strategy. Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Trade Club. In this video, I will review a strategy by Power of Trading with title The Most Accurate Buy Sell Signal Indicator in TradingView 100% Profitable Simple Trading Strategy. When you are new to this channel, you can click subscribe button below and hit the bell. So when we upload a new video, you will get a notification. Now, let's get started. How to install the indicator. You need a TradingView account to use this strategy. Click link in description below and sign up for a free account. Now, go to product and you will see the market chart. Click on it. Choose a currency pair and set the time frame to 5-minute time frame. You can go on indicator menu at the top. Search Supertrend by Kaiken Osbuljic and click on it. Please follow my settings on this indicator. On style, uncheck the uptrend. Uptrend begins, downtrend, and downtrend begins. On input, change the ATR multiplier to 4. Click OK. Next step, for the second indicator, search Trema by Lux Algo. We have to change some setting on this indicator. On style, change the plot color to white. Click OK. Now our setup is ready. Next, let's see how we can use this trading strategy in real example. But before we moving on that, I have some information for you. I have a free VIP signal group. In that group, you will get some trading signal. Here is some screenshot of my VIP member. If you want to join, just ask me on Telegram and the link is in description below. Let's back to the video. This is the example for doing a buy order. You can see in the chart. The market price should be above the white line. Then the buy signal is appear on Supertrend indicator. With this condition, you can place a buy order. Set the stop loss at previous swing low. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1-to-1 and half risk reward ratio. Let's see the result of our setup. This setup hit take the profit. This is the example for doing a sell order. You can see in the chart. The market price should be below the white line. Then, sell signal is appear on Supertrend indicator. With this condition, you can place a sell order. Set the stop loss at previous swing high. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1:1 and a half risk reward ratio. Let's see the result of our setup. The setup hit take the profit. We are using Trader Edge to do a backtest. Trader Edge is the best backtesting web application because it's very easy to use. Thousands of traders are using Trader Edge to get an edge on their competition. Not just a backtest, you can find another strategy with high win rate that has been tested. If you don't understand how to do a backtest, you'll also get a full step-by-step backtesting plan. Sign up right now and get over $450 worth of bonuses all for free. Trader Edge has a 7-day free trial, so there's absolutely no risk at all. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. Backtesting Strategy. Now I will do the backtest for 100 times trade. You can see on your screen when I am doing the backtest with this indicator. You can use Trader Edge to do the backtest. The starting balance of this test is $1,000. We will use 1:1 and a half risk reward ratio with 2% off risk for single trade. We will do the test on Euro USD with 5 minutes time frame. Let's discuss about the backtesting results of this strategy. Backtesting result. This is the result of this strategy. But before that, please support this video by giving like and subscribing to this channel. I will always give you a free trading strategy in this channel. Now we can see the result of this strategy. This super trend and Trema combination has 57 profit trade and 43 loss trade. It means on 1:1 and a half risk reward ratio, this strategy has 57% of win rate. The consecutive profit is 5 trades in a row and the consecutive loss is 4 in a row. The account starts from $1,000 and has 85% account growth. So our last balance is $1,850. Conclusion. This strategy is suitable for you even you are beginners in trading. It has more than 50% win rate and we get 85% growth in 5 months. But the 100% win rate claimed is not true. So that's all about how to make 85% in 5 months with this strategy. Hopefully you understand the content of the video and get a benefit from this video. Please support the channel by giving a like and subscribing to the channel so we can develop in the future. Disclaimer. We are on Simple Trade Club. Create this video is for education purposes only and not financial advice for you. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you had when using this trading strategy. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. See you in the next video.